I think it's like having a seizure.
I don't wanna be in this place. I hate my life. Third, no. I have my final review in 5 days. I'm a master's in architecture student. My drawings aren't done. My model isn't done. I don't know if I can finish it or not. So let's start preparing. Oh my god. I'm like having anxiety right now. Like I'm in constant anxiety. I should have started early, but I didn't. I wasted my time. Now I'm crying. I have literally 5 days to figure out all the requirements. So let's get started.
I think it's like having a seizure.
Yeah.
Imagine it fails while it's at 80%.
No, I think you have this done. You can just print the other half. I sent some parts of my model to the university to print, and most of them are okay, but my trusses, they are dying. So I'll have to make corrections and reprint them. It will take me another 24 hours. I have a dance practice at 6 p.m. today. I am performing on international night, suffering from being too talented. The international night performance is exactly 2 days before my final review. The timing is so bad. Some of my trusses are still printing, so I hope when I get back from my dance practice, then they will be done. If they are not, then no one is here. I am alone, but I am safe so far. I hate my life, honestly.
You won't hate your life on Tuesday.
I hate it.
Not after it's done, then you'll love your life.
It is necessary to take a break.
Yeah.
And I told her I'm always on a break.
No, you're not. You're such a liar.
Printing again. Printing again. I have spent so much time in here. I don't wanna be in this place. I don't want to. This place gives me trauma. Whenever I think of this place, I'm traumatized. Something happens in my mind. I don't wanna come back here. This should be the last time for this semester, for this year at least. Please God, help me. I built this model, but it has to be like, it is 1/3, no, 1/3 is left, but I'm short. I don't know how to reach it. I don't know, man, if I can finish all my drawings or not.
Was he intentionally doing it?
Oh, I think yours are taller, right?
Yeah, mine's 1 to 50.
So my grades are up. I can see my grade for my final project. So let's see what I got. No way. No way, this is zero.